Welcome again from Electronica. This is Watching Electronics TV, and I'm joined this afternoon by Harald Eppinger from Koh Young. And Harald, how are you finding the show so far? Are you enjoying yourself, or?
Of course, I enjoy every show because, and when you are on the show, it's a different style of working. So therefore, of course, we love the shows, and also when we build up for the people who are visiting us. Yeah, it's the first day on the show. Typically, it's always slow. And we don't know exactly what should we expect this week, but let's be positive.
Exactly.
We are warming up.
Exactly. Now, you told me earlier you've got two stands here.
Yeah.
Tell me the difference between the two stands and
it's about
what you're
20
doing.
minutes.
Yeah.
No, okay, seriously. We are here in our traditional business, in inspection business for the SMT manufacturing, but we also see the upcoming business in semicon.
Right, okay.
And we are in the semicon booth, or the semicon area with our semicon products.
Yeah.
There's a similarity, there's overlapping, but the people in the business are different, so we decided to build up a second part, because we believe this semicon will be a semicon end / packaging, because we are not in the front end, we are on the back end.
Yeah.
So semicon will be in Europe.
Excellent. Well, let's hope they both work out extremely well for you. I'm sure they will. Yeah. Tell me, what do you feel about the industry at the moment? How do you feel, business is going? Are you seeing?
It's not a secret. The industry is slowing down, and the automotive is the, let me say, the top indicator of this.
Yeah.
Industrial automation is is following somehow, but typically we have seen in the past years there is always an up and down, and there will be a recovery. So at the end of the day, what we have to prepare ourselves for the next wave. To be honest, when you have to see it more positive. If you try to put the graph of the last 15 years grow, the crisis we are faced is just a small. And in general, it was the last 15 years like 45 degrees up, and everybody knows sometimes it's good to have a break and a breath and take a deep breath. So we have to prepare ourselves from our client's point of view and as a vendor, that ready for the future. And I think that's key.
Are you seeing any emerging markets at the moment, or anything that's?
Well, I think we are doing quite well in US, and we are doing quite well in Southeast Asia, and India is a strong market. So the good thing is we are a global company, because we are representing Koh Young just in Europe, and Europe is all challenging because we are talking about 20 plus nations, and different areas to from all aspects of electronics manufacturing. But we have other areas. We are busy in China. We are busy in. But you see the rising stars, and of course India belongs to.
Yeah. Well, it's great to hear that you're doing well worldwide. But let's hope in Europe it comes back a little bit more very soon.
Yeah, Europe is a conservative area. We are never speed up to the maximum, so we are. Let's see, but there is a stability in Europe, and I really count on this stability. Because it's not just the big accounts. We are known, especially Germany, that we rely on the mid-size accounts, the private-owned and mid-size accounts. They have been the pillars of the industry and the economy. And I think that's what we have to reconsider, to treat them also well, because typically only the big names are on the news and the magazines. But there are the smaller ones who are really taking care of the economy and helping to overcome such crisis.
Are there specific markets that you think are going to be key for you in the coming 12 months or 2 years or whatever? Or?
I'm pretty sure, due to the environment protection and climate change discussion, e-mobility will be a key factor. There's a slowdown. There will be changes in support and prioritization, and I think all around this there is enough potential to grow in electronics. But I would believe everything around energy, photovoltaic, it's e-mobility will be one part, and also what you see is that all the miniaturization, the wearables, the home automation. everything is coming.
Yeah.
And it's maybe delayed for a while. But
And are you sort of moving your business model to aim at those specific markets?
no, because our products are standardized. So around the world we have the same products.
Right.
So it's more the program which is running on
Yeah.
the machine is adapting to the local needs.
Yeah.
So we don't have to address, but very clear, yeah, we are addressing especially the competitiveness. We would like to help our clients with the software tools to be more competitive, and that's what I mentioned. A precise production process is increasing the competitiveness at the end. It's less defects, less rework, better maintenance. That means you are more competitive, and competitiveness is the key for our customers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let's hope moving forward that things aren't as bad as you were predicting, and things are looking good.
I will not say that it's a bad predicting, but it's just that we have to reality. We have to face the reality that it's in our hands to change.
Yeah.
So it's not just to duck and lean back and wait that somebody will save the world. I think it's in our hands to move.
Yeah.
And I have so many clients in my life, my business life. They are really moving. They see the problems, but they fix the problems. They continue.
Yeah.
I think that's the most important passion
key.
we have to deliver for us and ourselves.
Yeah. Well, moving forward, I hope Koh Young have a very successful rest of the year, and find new markets and keep expanding. And you never know, in 4 years or 2 years' time, when we come back to electronica, you might have 3 or 4 stands.
No, two is definitely two are enough. Two is enough.
All right,
Yeah.
Harald, thank you very much for
You're
being with us
welcome.
today, and good luck for the rest of the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
you.